Hi, I'm Jen, and today I'm here with Judy Plum to show you the cloud wig from the Wille Perucci collection. This is a beautiful long style with heat-resistant synthetic fibres, so you can add little curls, waves, whatever you want. So I'm just going to flip this cap inside out so that I can show you the cap construction. So on this wee wig here, we have a lovely little lace run at the hairline so that you can see through to the scalp. It looks like it's growing straight out of your head. You've also got a little monofilament crown here, and then a fully wefted cap, which is perfect for a nice comfy fit because you've got loads of stretch there. Also, the air can flow in between those wefts, so it's perfect in sort of hotter weather to keep that air flowing round. We've got the wee Velcro adjustable tabs here, so you can get that fit perfect on your head, as well as a little adjustable metal stays in the ear tabs so that you can really bend that wig to fit your head perfectly. So I've just popped on a little wig cap here so that I can show you what this style looks like on. I'm just going to flip her over like that, grabbing those little ear tabs so they're sitting in my temples there, and making sure that hairline is about 4 fingers away from my eyebrows. So as you can see, we have lots of length in this style. So we've got about 20 centimetres in the fringe and about 35 centimetres from the crown. It's that heat resistant fibre, so you are able to style this wig any way you want. Yeah, you've got some lovely long layers. So this is the cloud wig in the shade Sandy Blonde Rooted. I've got a couple other colours here to show you now. So this shade here is Pastel Lilac Rooted, so it is a lovely light sort of ashy purple colour, but a wee bit of that shadow root going on here to give it more of that natural appearance, but it is a super fun colour. So the final colour I've got to show you is this one here. This is Sand Tipped. So you've got slightly darker up the top, and then fades into a beautiful sort of dark blonde colour. I'm going to do a little spin around so you can see what the cloud wig looks like from every angle. I really hope you've enjoyed learning about the Wille cloud wig from the Perucci collection. It is a super fun, versatile style that can be styled using heat due to those heat-friendly synthetic fibres. It is in stock in a whole variety of colours at Judy Plum. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the Judy Plum YouTube channel. You can also follow Judy Plum Wigs across all social media, and you can find me over at Jen's Alopecia on Instagram. Feel free to check out the other wig review videos that we've made on the Judy Plum YouTube channel. If you want any more information about any of the styles, head over to the Judy Plum website to see the full range of wigs available at the best prices and with great customer reviews.